Meet and greet locations link to a physical location in ProHire, but contain their own opening hours, booking questions, customer instructions, and rate cards, making them perfect for rental companies that offer meet and greet services at locations such as airports, train stations, or ports. Once set up, these additional locations appear as part of the booking process, as shown here. The customer simply selects a location from the drop-down list. When a remote location booking arrives in ProHire, it uses the rental agreement and invoice number assigned to the linked physical location. Meet and greet location information is recorded in the booking delivery and collection fields in ProHire. Setting up a meet and greet location. To set up your new location, select Meet and Greet Locations in the sidebar and click New. To create a meet and greet location, you'll need to enter a site ID. This is for internal use only and will not be displayed to the customer. Simply enter your chosen ID and click Create. You can then enter the information relating to the meet and greet location. Information includes the name of the site, address details, and any special instructions. You'll also need to link your location to a physical site in ProHire. To do this, simply select the physical location from the base location drop-down list. The default rate name field is not required and doesn't need to be populated. Once you're happy with the meet and greet location information, click Save. Once you've saved the meet and greet location, it will appear on the remote location screen as shown here. If you need to make changes to an existing meet and greet location, simply click on the pencil icon to the right of the location. Once you've created your location, as shown here, you'll need to activate it for use with Proweb. To activate your remote location, click on the Proweb link in the side panel, click Manage Settings, and select the Locations tab. Enabled will be set to off for any new location. To enable it, simply click on the pencil icon and toggle the Enabled button to the On position. Then click Save.